Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today we are going to check out Aruble Faucet. Let's begin by signing up with our Faucet Pay or C-Wallet email. Once you log in, your dashboard is at the top, and your balance is on the top left of your homepage. Let's start by choosing Faucet from the dashboard and choosing Manual Claim. Scroll down the center of the screen and set the Claim tab to Faucet Pay. Now select the blue Claim button. A CAPTCHA section should pop up. Solve the simple CAPTCHA and you're done. The claim goes directly to Faucet Pay. Great! Next, select More Earn on your dashboard and choose Bonus Roll. Once again, solve the CAPTCHA and get your coins. Fantastic! Now go back to your dashboard and select View Ads under More Earn. Choose one of the websites and visit the link until the timer runs down. Solve the CAPTCHA and your balance should be credited. Fantastic! When you're done, check your Faucet Pay account to make sure your coins were deposited. As you can see, my coins have arrived instantly. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.